Yo, this is Aiden. It is 10:20 a.m. Sunday, May 10th, and I am going on a hike to Colorado Bend State Park to this spring-fed waterfall that's apparently 70 feet. I think it's called Gorman Falls. I wish my girlfriend was with me. She wanted to go, but she's sick as a dog. So I brought my whole bag, the necessity hat, and a dream. It's about an hour and a half away, and we will be driving my manual car. So I'm gonna vlog this, and hopefully it's something good.
Playing till my fingers bled. We'd sing songs and I'd sing with you.
So I just arrived to Colorado Bend State Park, and I'm looking at the map. I have no service. I think I have to turn right up here. And the only reason why I didn't turn right earlier because of how sketch this is. But I'm in a rally car, a WRX. But look at the water here. I don't know if you see that, but we're gonna go for it. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of off-roading. How about it? On the trailhead in the Texas Hill Country, these beautiful cactuses. It's about 1.5 miles to get there and 1.5 miles back, so 3 miles round trip. Should take a good hour, maybe a little less. So just made it to the falls. Look at this view. I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn it around. Look at that. How crazy that is. And it all just flows down. Climbed a little bit higher, and now we're right below the falls. This is in Texas. It's crazy. Look at this. Wow. Headed back now. Walking back currently. That was pretty spectacular. Didn't know that was in Texas. This walk is like a walk of shame and doom. It is so hot. Probably getting sunburned. Saw 2 snakes. Got a cut in my arm, but totally worth it.